I unknowingly drank too many sangrias. Shall I set you up? Is it worth that? This isn't a good setup. What am I doing? You're currently on some pizzas we had last night. I'm such an idiot. We didn't have a proper lunch and then I drank 3 sangrias at the poolside, and I think it's basically a mixture of I didn't eat enough food, I drank too much alcohol, and then I've had quite severe sunburn on my back. I'm not gonna lie, felt drunk as a skunk probably about half an hour ago. I am slowly what is that word? What? I am slowly sobering. I am slowly sobering up. However, yeah, not feeling the greatest. Oh, Tom has just gone off to the shop to get himself some dinner, bless him, because I am not feeling up to it. Does someone really not like my pajamas or something? Because I'm not offending anyone with my pajamas. How we're gonna turn this into a video? Do we just turn this into a video? Oh, what do I do? Okay, so yeah, Tom, what do I do? I'm gonna turn this into a video because why not? Like, why not? Also, should I sue? This is another segment. Should I sue? Love our hotel more than life itself. Can't recommend enough. Tommy Portals. Am I that drunk I can't see the cut? Right, there it is, there it is. It looks like nothing now. Okay, wonderful. Here? Imagine that has been healing for 3 days. It was bleeding when I first cut it. It was basically, I cut it on the coffee table in my hotel room. Right, I'm just gonna show you. This is what we're dealing with. So it's like as if the finish has come away and it cut me big time, and I am not happy about it. No, I'm completely joking. It did hurt, it did sting, but it is completely fine now. We've gone golfing, mini golfing. Love a mini golf. We've had a Spanish McDonald's. Have I even said where we are? We are in Mallorca and we're in Portal Nu, which is a glorious part of Mallorca. May I recommend, if you're going to Mallorca, come to Portal Nu. Gorgeous. Wonderful distance from all the other aspects of Mallorca that you might want to go to. Had a glorious time here. We have chilled, we have pool chilled, we have beach chilled. We've gone to Roxy Beach Bar. Wow. Very cool, very great. Can't recommend enough. Have gone and had a day in Palma. Glorious. We have had a day in Palma Nova. Again, glorious. Yeah, we've done many a thing. Many a thing. I would 100% be doing a get ready with me right now if I didn't feel not very good. Look at me right now. I mean, first off, the lighting. Let's try and move you to a better location. Holiday must-haves. Fanta lemon. Holiday must-haves, right? Straight away, I'm gonna put it out there. Fake tan at the beginning of your holiday. Oh my god. Oh, my back's in so much pain. I think I'm gonna show it. Oh no. Sorry if you're squeamish. Swear to the gods above. I literally was on my front for about 15 minutes. How does that happen? Tell me right now. Anyway. So speaking of that massive sunburn on my back, fake tan before your holiday. So this holiday is the first holiday that I fake tanned the night before. I was like, hey, I am effing tired of going on holiday and feeling utterly like just shite. I went to Barcelona last year. I just felt horrendous. Like I was in these like really like strappy tops and things like this, really summery clothes. I was like, oh, I look like an Eskimo who has just gone on an expedition to Antarctica. Quick insertion, I do not, repeat, not like wearing like strappy tops and things anyway. I am not about like a spaghetti strap in normal everyday life. I don't know what it is. I have this like weird thing for like this area of me, so I tend to cover it, so that in itself is not nice. And then if you add on that I was the shade of a fucking Cornish pasty, not a well done one or a golden brown one, an undercooked Cornish pasty, you know, that just adds to the commotion. So yeah, this time I was like, stop, no more. I am gonna feel frigging cracking from the beginning of the holiday, thank you very much. And yeah, that's what I did. So I fake tanned, felt cracking about it. It's weird, I just feel good after a fake tan. I think it's like a friggin' it's like a scientific proven thing. It like contours your body, it makes you feel a little bit like more toned, or just, I don't know. So yeah, I put a bikini on, I felt way better about myself. I put, you know, summery play suits on, felt way better. I mean, I've got none left on anymore. I've been jumping in the pool. Obviously it wore off within like 2 days, like fair play. But what obviously has been replaced is a very genuine, I know it's minimal, I'm aware it's minimal, but this is my natural face, and this is the kind of tan I've got, and then a little bit of that as well. It kind of is a nice way of skipping that pale white shade that some people may start with, which is what I obviously start with. What else can I not live without? Oh, go on then. Origins. Origins Ginseng Energy Boosting Tinted Moisturiser with SPF 40. I've worn this every day of my holiday, can't get enough. It just wakes up my skin. What I will say is, need a moisturiser underneath, need. I wore it one day, I just like forgot to put a moisturiser under, and my skin did feel like a little bit dry, which wasn't ideal. But moisturiser, and then, oh, I'll stick another layer of moisturiser that makes me feel a little bit evened out. Can't get enough of this. What I will insert right here is that I don't know what happened to my skin. If you can see, it just got really, really angry that I was on my holidays. Like, really angry. Like, the angriest it's been in a good sort of 6 months. I'm sorry. I've gotten cheek spots like more than I've ever got in like a really long time. Chin spots, I've gotten all over here, all like forehead spots. Shoot me, I'm on me holidays, like come on. But it's happened, it's gone and happened. I've just tried to really embrace them. I've tried to bronze them up with the Chanel Soleil de Tan Chanel, blah, 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 you know, the one. And yeah, I've just tried to be like, have your life, like enjoy. I'm spotty, but I'm gonna be tanned as well. Don't have to get this one, but like bring a tinted moisturiser on your holidays, because it just makes you feel that much better, especially in the first few days. For my hair, I mean, I've just gone in the shower and just left it today, but every other day I have been adoring a cheeky sea salt spray. The one that I choose to use is the Toni & Guy sea salt texturizing spray. I have the full size version, I have the full size version, and I have the one that I throw across the floor as well. 3 lots of the minis for whenever I'm going traveling, just because I can no longer live without this. Gives me a nice bit of texture. I'm really sorry, I'm sort of 19 minutes into filming this and realising, why are you gonna want to look at me like this? I look grim, and I'm really sorry about that. I've been on holiday all week, so I've not got any other time to film this. It's effing Friday night. Be grateful, alright? Is there anything else I've not been able to live with? Oh, go on then. Go on then. The bed's not made. I'm so sorry. This is the This Works Deep Sleep Pillow Spray. I have 2 of these little travel sizes and I have a full size version. If you can't tell, I really enjoy it. I just can't even tell you. Fall asleep faster naturally and wake up refreshed. All you do is you spray it onto your pillow and you fall asleep. It has like an essential oilsy smell, a lavendery smell, just, you know, one of those like sparry, trying to get you to like sleep type of scent. I just can't get enough of it. I'm throwing everything on the floor and poking myself in the face, apparently. Ow. I think it's just the thing that like, oh, I spray that on my bed at home. Oh, I'll spray it on my hotel bed. I did it for the first holiday, this holiday, and it's made so much difference. The first night's sleep was just like the greatest night's sleep I've ever had. I had my eye mask on from home and I just felt great. And then I sprayed my pillow. Honestly, it was so on point. I'm gonna do a really quick tour of our hotel room because why wouldn't I? And I want to remember it. So really quick. So this is our terrace. We've been spending every morning on it because that is where the sun is the best. There's some palm trees. Summer is coming, guys. Summer is coming. So if you follow in here, this is my horrendous getting ready area. I need to pack this all away. This is me. Hi. This is the bed that is not made at all. But as you can see, very lovely room. Very lovely indeed. We have another area. We have a sweet. This is, as you can see, another double door into the terrace. It's very lovely. And there is a little clothes dryer, which I cannot tell you how helpful that's been. And I've just hit you in the face. We have a little artistic area. We have a little kitchen. The one thing, they don't have cutlery. They don't have anything. All they have is a kettle. They didn't have tea, they didn't have coffee, they didn't have milk, they didn't have a spoon. They did have a spoon, sorry, they did have a spoon. But no like forks, knives, anything. Bearing in mind you've got like a whole facility there. None of those doors have anything in. But it does have a full-size fridge, which I think is pretty cool. TV, coffee, full area. And then if you just follow me through here, wardrobe. Lovely bath, lovely jubbly, and bath, sink. If you've watched my Barcelona vlog, Spain seems to have this obsession with doors that aren't actually doors for your bathroom, so that you're like taking a dump and your boyfriend can hear every little splash. It's really nice. Just so that you know, I was joking. I don't like dump where Tom's like outside the door and it's like, enjoy that dump. This was the randomest video in the world. I would end this outside, but I am too scared to go out and someone spit on me again. You know what? They can spit on me if they want. I think I'm gonna polish this off here because this is a weird ass video and there's music somewhere. Someone knocking.